Hello, welcome to Mary's Kitchen MTL. Today we are making creamy strawberry ice cream to celebrate the beginning of summer. These are the ingredients. You will need 1.5 cups of fresh strawberries, 2 cups of 35% whipping cream, 1 1/4 cups of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of powdered sugar. Here is the procedure. Begin by removing the leaves from the strawberries. Rinse the strawberries and cut them in small pieces. Place them inside a bowl with a lid. Cover and freeze for 20 minutes. In the meantime, we will add the whipping cream inside a large bowl. Beat on medium speed until soft peaks form. This will take about 2 minutes. Add the condensed milk. Beat on medium speed until combined, about 2 minutes. Add the powdered sugar, continue beating until combined. Beat for another 2 minutes. Mix in the cut strawberries. You may substitute the strawberries with any other of your favorite fruits. Add 1 drop of red food coloring. This is optional. Pour the ice cream inside a medium-sized plastic container with a lid. Cover and freeze overnight. This homemade ice cream is so delicious. It's creamy, a little soft, and has just the right amount of sugar. Enjoy with more fresh strawberries. Thanks for watching and for subscribing to my YouTube channel. I'll see you next time.